Hi guys, so we are at Cheshunt Station Level Crossing in Hertfordshire with Joe Thorpe. Right, time is 11:26 on Saturday the 11th of June 2016, this is for. So an Enfield lock. I better switch to Cheshunt then. This will be for your 11. This will be for your 11:29, 2 Oscar 27, Abellio Greater Anglia service from Hertford to London Liverpool Street, and our 11 and our 12. Oh, I'm on 12. Something hell. This will be for your 11:29, 1 Bravo 52, Abellio Greater Anglia Stansted Express service from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport, and possibly for 11:39. Hang on a minute. 29, 2 Oscar 23, Abellio Greater Anglia service from Hertford East London Liverpool Street. We've got $317,514. $317,514 to London Liverpool Street, and we'll be staying. Your 11:29, 1 Bravo 52, Stansted Express service from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport. Here she is. We've got 379,015. 379,015 and 379,005 to Stansted Airport, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.